Not every car needs a ceramic coating, and honestly, I think a lot of people can be potentially wasting their money on them. After 10 years in the industry, what I've seen and what I've learned, what I've come to believe is that most people would get better results from a simple, consistent maintenance detailing program. And now that I've been detailing for over a decade, I've seen the good, the bad, and the overhyped, especially when it comes to ceramic coatings. Now, don't get me wrong, I love ceramic coatings. I will always offer them. The benefits of having one on your vehicle are it's just they're amazing. And they're amazing when they're the right fit for the right customer. The problem is what I feel is they're being sold to everyone as the only solution. The problem that I saw and that I see now as coatings started to gain some serious traction, detailers jumped on it and started really pushing coatings because they're profitable. And with the marketing between the coating manufacturers and the detailers, I feel customers are really they're being convinced that this is the only way to protect your vehicle, and it's not. I see many people spending $1,000 or more on a coating when a maintenance program and getting your vehicle detailed inside and out every month would actually serve them better. The coatings, like I said, they are amazing. They make exterior detailing, they make the maintenance easier. They eliminate having to do the wax or the sealant, which is saving you a ton of time. And you'll always have that nice look from a wax or sealant. But they're not as self-cleaning as everybody thinks, and they don't do anything for your interior. Unfortunately, there's nothing out there that can make maintaining the interior of your vehicle any easier other than just staying on top of it. So you end up with a vehicle that looks beautiful on the outside, but on the inside, it's a disaster area that the coating can't fix. The maintenance detailing program, you're getting the regular visits. You're keeping the interior and exterior clean, protected, and preserved. And it's more of the consistency over the hype that you get from a ceramic coating. Because once that novelty wears off, are you going to keep up on it? The maintenance program keeps your vehicle looking great all year round. And you're building a relationship with that detailer who knows your car, who knows your habits, knows how to handle situations when they come up, and can adapt to your driving habits and adjust their cleaning based on your driving habits. A lot of times, these people with the cleanest vehicles, they aren't the ones that bought a ceramic coating. They're the ones that stay on that consistent maintenance, that regular detailing program. Coatings are still a great option, though, for those people that love the whole process of washing and waxing your vehicle, and but you just want to kind of skip out on that whole waxing part of it. Sports cars, the muscle cars, the exotics, cars where you want to have that perfect paint job all the time, or even just regular high-end vehicles, or especially daily drivers. They will always benefit from a ceramic coating and then a maintenance program on top of that. So before you go dropping $1,000 on a ceramic coating, ask yourself if you're really going to be able to maintain it like you need to, or would you get more value from a maintenance plan that keeps your vehicle looking great year round without having to put forth so much effort? If you're not sure which option fits you best, reach out. I'd be happy to figure it out with you and see which one actually makes sense for you, your car, and your lifestyle. So I'll talk to you soon.